Yes, I am Munashe. Mukita say. Tapindira Gweru. Yes, I. Samukita say. Makachikora. Seka weekend so. Gweru yandinaka. Gweru yakanaka chama. This is Gweru.
Hello guys, today we are talking about Gweru, which is a city located in the Midlands province of Zimbabwe, southern part of Africa. Gweru is such a beautiful city which has a lot of activities, places to eat and also to sleep, accommodation, everything that you need. You can actually find it in the city of Gweru. So today I am with Munashe discussing hidden beauties about the city of Gweru. So guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this video in as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Yes guys, before we go any further, hit that subscribe button and like my video.
That's good. I'm so happy. I like being in Gweru. One thing that I know about Gweru is a city notonora.
Oh yeah,
ndakanzwa vanhu vachiti kunotonora zvisingai.
But this year winter yacho hamene migunu vakusvika
alright. That's good. Ini ndangosvikawo mugweru nhasi guys, saka ndimboonawo face wangu Munashe ambondiudza kuti what are the activities izvi zvinenge zvingoitika, saka tamboti rega tinyatsokushuta video timo mugweru. So this is 7th Street and it has been a long time with me not coming this place. So as you are seeing, I'm just here with Munashe anenge achikupidzawo some of the activities dzinoitika muno mugweru and a whole lot of things. So Munashe, what's your favorite thing mugweru? Yeah.
And I just like Gweru is actually a quiet city.
Oh, it's quiet.
Everything convenient. Yeah, unongozwa like makombi unoenda pana apa stability. Hamuna zvinhu zvakanyanya fila. So kana ari ndinogwa kuti like makombi nyakurwana kana menu.
Yeah. You walk a long distance.
You know, walk a long distance. Yes. So I prefer Gweru because it is kind of quiet and convenient. And everything like my facilities. I didn't get no far raw. I just like so much. I like so much like park.
My park?
Yeah, just because me now no problem with the
alright.
So I just as like mochila and pila.
Alright.
When I'm going to solo time, I'm doing the gas stuff like that. But yeah, usually depends on the also exciting.
Alright.
Put it both. Wear like monoasis stuff like that. Put it both.
So you yourself, do you drink?
I don't drink.
You don't drink?
I don't drink.
Okay.
How about you?
No, I don't. So what are other famous bars that people go to party and stuff?
Famous bars. People go to Publix. Publix actually like quite new.
Okay.
Quite new.
Yeah, it's there in Harare.
It's there in Harare. Yeah, it's quite new and it's expensive.
Okay.
They like my high class.
Yes, top class.
Top class, yeah. Everybody knows like both. They machines by miss you.
Okay.
Ukanda kwa mafufu, ukanda ibisira de makusini mafufu. Whenever you think about both. Instead of super fried variko. So makusini unoona like rumandira richiko boyo.
Saka vanhu vanorara ikoko vachifara.
Alright.
That's good. Ini ndinofarira kudya. I like eating so much. So there's somebody who is coming with their first time here in Gweru.
Yeah.
Where do you encourage? What are other food outlets that are here that offer best service and stuff?
Oh, Milan. Milan, I think it's the street. Okay. But I think it's the street. I'm not really sure. But Milan, Paribo, I think it's Sira.
Oh, this one. So is the next one you could say in those 6th, right?
In the 6th street. Okay. Milan. So like it's actually kind of new.
Okay.
And the one of best services. And yeah, it's actually cheap. The Zibo is Flower Road.
Okay.
Funny Zisamo. Yeah. Funny watch capsule balls. I think my restaurants are in town. Are some of the are kind of like cheap and are both.
Alright. Let's say somebody doesn't want to just come and eat. Maybe they want to sleep or maybe take a rest if they are traveling from SA to Zambia or something like that by bus or maybe by their private car. Or even the locals, they just want to go chill, eat, maybe and sleep, work and they go.
Alright. just in the center of the top and the Midlands hotel. I've heard good like these days.
Okay.
So you can actually go and sleep there. But the actually like Mama hotels, I don't female hotel.
Yes.
Female hotels actually like Flower Road again. Flower Road. I see along London like female hotel. It's actually not like you get substance data, but this is like where because like it's actually like a fucking no. And Paparibo, in my lodge, it's like a village road. Village road is actually like along a road.
Road.
Paribo super classic. And then also the beach lodge, it's like a small lodge. Is it Shurugu Lodge? Shurugu Lodge. That's the service today.
Okay.
I'm not really sure. Not Shurugu Lodge. Yeah, I think one of the
so kuno kune traffic as well.
Traffic akadhakwa navanhu kuno vatina moto separate.
Okay.
Except kana iri peak hour like around 6-7. Yeah, ndiko vanowana traffic mutown.
So vanoona traffic
yakawanda. Kana makusensi ma6. Ndiko vanowana traffic kuti boka na mfoba pamamba kusvika kupinda mutown. I think vanoona traffic. But the thing is that day separate kuti ndona munhu achitotisa dendera yake achipinda mudendere opposite traffic ada kuchimba isi.
Okay. Wow, we are encouraging more people to do domestic tourism. Where can they go just to visit, see places and get excited to see my weekends, my nights and all those kind of things. So because you know people out there they want to travel, but a lot of people don't know where to go. Avatozivi nzvimbo dzacho. Saka ndikupi kwavangaende vanhu vanofara vari ikoko waisa.
Oh yeah, like fun to say. But finally said that you don't White Waters so.
White Waters.
White Waters.
Yeah, ndakambonzwa nezvavo.
Even me namoyo but yeah, but I missed the chance of going there. I remember tips that I wanted like this. Actually, boat cruising.
Boat cruising. White Waters, you get it.
It's just like boat cruising. And the kuno bochi was second that. And I remember so now like very even Decent and Munashe, but Decent and Munashe is very tourist sites. Pangoro by team, but nega team ngona kawo. But pango na kawo actually like when my friends are kuno from channel tips. Okay. But it's not. Like there are good places, but they're not appreciated. Like okay. So that's the places. And also like coming from unpark like Zimbabwe Road. Mungo na unpark. Yes. So mungo no now stuff like that. And then unpark I think pato nema. And this one pato nema lodge. Because no one watch about unpark. No basa kuti anybody like massive sefuta. Usually unpark. So people in the bazaar. You don't have to do that.
Guys, Gweru is so beautiful. A lot of places to chill out, hang out, make funny, see and enjoy life. So this is Gweru as you are seeing. So Mr. Munashe, what do you want to say to people who hasn't visited Gweru yet as of now?
I say visit Gweru, like you'll be surprised. No over like I'm saying, like Musha stuff like that. I also run a new. I was in the okay. But at least it's better.
Wow, no, that's good. And also for the thrill and zeal of just getting traveling with me, just come here for a week, a month or so, and you enjoy life in Gweru. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my content so that we'll be giving you a lot more. Signing out, this is Gweru.